Hello students, welcome everyone. Welcome to our today's session. In our today's session, we will discuss about our exercise, that is exercise 13.6 from our chapter 13, surface area and volume. In the previous exercise, we have discussed about the volume of a cube or cuboid. Here we will discuss about the volume of a cylindrical vessel or whatever the cylindrical article we are having, or you can say the volume of the cylinder. So here we start. Just see our first question. Our first question is, all the formulas we have discussed in our introductory session. If you have not seen that video, please see the video so that all the formulas are known to you regarding this chapter, surface area and volume. So when you know the formula, it is easier for you to solve the question. Just see what our first question is. Circumference of a base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and height is 25. How many liters of water it can hold? Now have a look to the question. What is given in the question? Circumference of the base. So base is in the circular shape. So the circumference we have to find it out. It is given to us. Height is given to us. Now the question is how many liters of water it can hold. So if circumference is given to us, what it means that 2 pi r is 132. What is given to us? 2 pi r is 132. So from here we can find it out r. With the help of it, हमने क्या find out कर लिया? We have find it r. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out how many liters of water it can hold. So for finding it, we have to find out the volume. And the formula for the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. What it is? Pi r square h. So putting the value in the formula, here we have find the volume. And here the question is, how many liters of water it can hold? Means we have to convert it into the liter. So all the dimensions are in centimeter. So 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1 liter. So when you have to convert it into the liter, you have to divide it by 1000. आपको उसको किससे divide करना पड़ेगा? 1000. Yes. Our second question. Second question is, a cylindrical wooden pipe is there, and for that wooden pipe, inner and outer diameter is given to us, as well as length of the pipe is given to us. What we have to find out? Mass of the pipe. If 1 centimeter cube has the mass 0.6 gram. Same, what we will do, first of all we will find the volume. Okay, now see, it is a cylindrical wooden pipe, hollow cylindrical wooden pipe. It is having the outer diameter as well as the inner. So with the help of that outer and inner diameter, what we have find out? We have find out the radius, outer radius as well as the inner radius. And for height, height is the length, height is the length. So this formula also have told you that for that volume is pi r2 square outer radius square minus inner radius square multiplied by height. So when we substitute all the values, we are finding here the volume. But here our question not end. What the question is there? We have to find the mass. So for finding the mass, what we will do? We will multiply it by the gram, whatever the mass is given to us for 1 meter cube. So once we have multiplied it by 0.6, what we find? We find the mass of the wooden pipe. Be careful that it is hollow, it is solid, it is open, it is closed. ये सारी चीजें हमें ध्यान में रखनी है. Yes, question number 3. A soft drink is available in 2 packs. पहला पैक है आपका a tin can with the rectangular base, and the second one is plastic cylinder with a circular base. आपको बताना है which container has greater capacity and by how much. So this is a tin can. It is in cuboidal shape. LBH, all three things are given to us. Capacity is there. So capacity, how can you find it out? Simply by multiplying. Okay. Now, for the second one, it is a plastic cylinder. For here, once you have to find it out the volume. How can you find out the volume? By using the next formula of the cylinder. It is pi r square h. All the things are known to us. We can put the value in the formula. And on comparing both, what we can find out that the plastic cylinder has more capacity. And by how much? For finding how much, what we will do? We will find the difference. Okay, now here our question number 4. If the lateral surface area of a cylinder is this much, height is that much, you have to find the radius of base and the volume. Lateral surface area means CSA is given to us. What is given to us? CSA. This you need to take care. Otherwise, when you solve the question, your solution will be not correct. Okay, so CSA is given to us, height is known to us. What we know regarding the CSA, it is 2 pi RH, and this 2 pi RH is 94.2. So by putting the value 2 into 3.14, it is the value of pi, then R, then H is, see the question 5, and what the lateral surface area is 94.2. With the help of all these things, we can easily find the value of R. And once the R is known to us, you can find out the volume. How can you find it out the volume? It is pi R square H. It is pi R square H. Now see our next question. Next question is question number 5. If the it costs rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface area of a cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep. Inner curved surface area को paint करना है. We are talking about inner curved surface area. If the cost is rupees 20, total cost दे रखी है and per meter square cost दे रखी है. What you have to find out? Inner curved surface area. So it is quite easier. What we know that for 1 meter it is rupees 20. So with 1 rupee 1 upon 20. So if the total cost is 2200, the area will be painted 110. Area will be painted 110. Simply what you have to do, you have to divide the cost, total cost, by the cost per meter square. टोटल कॉस्ट को पर मीटर स्क्वायर कॉस्ट से डिवाइड करोगे, यू कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट द area. Okay, so that is the inner curved surface area, what we want to find it out. Now second part is we have to find out the radius of the base. So if we assume it as r, height is 10, surface area is 2 pi rh, and that we know, वो हमें पता है, it is 110. So using that formula कि हमने क्या कर लिया, 2 pi rh is equals to 110. Here we know 2, we know pi, we know 10, 110 हमें पता है. So putting the value we can easily find out the r. So this is our second part. Now the third part, we have to find out the capacity, and capacity is always in liters. We can convert it. So before finding the capacity, what we have to find out? We have to find out the volume. And what the volume is, you have to learn all the formula, then only it is easier for you to solve the question. What the volume is? It is pi r square h. It is pi r square h. So putting the value, you can find out the volume. And volume is in meter cube. Now you know the conversion unit. For converting meter cube into liter, what you do? You multiply by 1000. So this is our answer. Okay, now see here question number 6. Our question number 6, that the capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel, height is given to us and the capacity is given to us. Now the question is there, how many square meter of metal sheet would be needed to make it? Means we are talking about total surface area. हमें total surface area find out करना है. So for finding total surface area, what we have to find it out? We have to find out radius first of all, because without radius and without height we cannot find out total surface area. Height is known to us, we have to find out radius. So just see how we will find it out. Height is 1, capacity is given to you, convert it into the meter cube, that is the volume. Now we know what the volume is, put the value in the formula and we can find out the R. Now how many square meter of sheet is required? Find out the total surface area. It is 2 pi r into r plus h, because top and bottom also we are considering it. It is a closed cylindrical vessel. बंद है, दोनों साइड से बंद है. That's why we are talking about total surface area. Now we know the formula, we know R, we know H, put the value, then we can easily find out total surface area. And here is our answer, 0.4708 meters square. Okay, here is our question number 7 for this exercise. What question is? A lead pencil consists of a cylindrical wood with the solid cylindrical of graphite filled in the interior. पेंसिल होती है आपकी, बाहर से वुड होता है, अंदर से क्या होता है, ग्रेफाइट का सॉलिड सिलेंड्रिकल शेप में होता है, अंदर से जो आपकी लिड होती है जिससे आप लिखते हो, दैट ऑल्सो. नाउ व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस? Diameter of the pencil as well as the diameter of the graphite. See the diagram, it is very clear to you all. With the help of that particular diagram, the things are clear to you all. Length is also given to us. What we have to find out? Volume of the wood as well as the volume of the graphite. So first of all, what we have to find out? We have to find out the radius, because without radius we can't do anything. So diameter is known to us. What we have done? We have find out the radius of the pencil as well as the radius of the graphite. And height is similar for both. Pencil के लिए भी height वही रहेगी, graphite के लिए भी वही रहेगी. There is no change in the height. Now we have to find out volume of the wood in the pencil. आपको volume किसकी find out करनी है? Wood की. So for finding it, what we will do? From the outer we are subtracting the inner and multiply by the height. So here is the volume of the wood. आपकी outer radius क्या थी, आपकी inner radius क्या थी, और उसमें से हमने height को क्या कर दिया, multiply कर दिया. Okay. Pi r square h, और r आपका कैसे find out होगा? How much r? You can find it out by subtracting inner from outer. ये देखो, ये from the center it is 0.35 and from the center it is 0.05. तो जब आप दोनों को subtract कर दोगे, you will find the remaining one. That's why we have done it. Okay, so this is the volume of the pencil. This one is the volume of the pencil. Now we have to find out the volume of the graphite. So this we can find it out. Graphite का आपको radius पता है, graphite की आपको height पता है. So putting the value in the formula, you can find it out. Here we are having pi also. Okay, we are having pi also. That is 22/7 also we are having here. So now the last question of our exercise. It is a patient in a hospital is given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl. कैसे बाउल में उसे डेली सूप दिया जाता है? सिलेंड्रिकल बाउल. अब उस बाउल की डायमीटर कितनी है? 7. बाउल को कितना फिल किया है? 4 मीटर. बाउल की हाइट कितनी भी हो, फिल कितना किया है? ओनली अप टू 4 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज हियर, हाउ मच सूप डज द हॉस्पिटल हैव टू प्रिपेयर डेली if there are 250 patients? So what you will do? You will find out the volume of one bowl. One bowl का volume taking 4 as height, because we are filling it to the height 4 only. Then what you have to do? You have to find it out the volume of one bowl. Then you have to multiply it by 250. So how we have done? Just see here, diameter is 7, radius is 3.5. Height जितना वो fill किया गया है, bowl is filled with the soup to the height 4. So height we will consider as 4. Now volume we know it is pi r square h. Volume हमें क्या पता है? Pi r square h. Now putting the values, what we have find it out? Volume of one bowl. Now once the volume of one bowl is known to us, what we will do? We will multiply it by 250. क्या करेंगे हम इसको? हम इसको 250 से multiply करेंगे. So once we have multiplied by 250, here is our answer. Now हम किसी को ये तो नहीं बताएंगे ना कि दिस मच सेंटीमीटर क्यूब वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर. हमें कोई भी चीज प्रिपेयर करनी है, लिक्विड है तो लीटर में प्रिपेयर करेंगे. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव कन्वर्टेड इनटू लीटर्स. इसलिए हमने इसको किस में कन्वर्ट किया है? लीटर्स. So this is all regarding our exercise, that is exercise 13.6. With the help of this video, you can complete your exercise, and if there is any query, if there is any question, you can comment or you can message me. Okay, till then, thank you, take care. In the next video, we will discuss about next exercise, that is exercise 13.7. Thank you.